Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I come back with another video. This is Vivo Y20 phone, and this phone touch is not working. You can see the touch damage the display. So now I will open and change the display and show you how to replace the display on this mobile phone. So first of all, you need a hair dry machine or hot air. So I have a hot air. I play on the hot air and I heat up the back side for 1 minute to remove the glue easily. So guys, almost done. Heat up the back side. Now I will open. So for this you need a anti cutter or any small plastic apron. You can see. So now I will open by this plastic. Have more heat up this side. So you have to remove first the SIM tray. Guys, now I open this side. It's almost open. So I have already removed the back part. Now I will remove all the screw. You need a star screwdriver for this. So I have to remove all the screw. Okay guys, now I have to remove the back part. So for this you need a plastic. Easily you have to remove this part. Be carefully, here have the fingerprint connection. You have to disconnect the fingerprint connection, and then you have to remove this plastic still with the camera and disconnect the battery. So guys, now I have to remove the battery. So remove this plastic first. So guys, this plastic you have to keep it down, and this green color plastic you have to press up little bit, open the battery, and then this plastic you have to return back. Now remove the display connection and heat up the back side. Remove display. So again I will heat the display back side. Okay, now I will try to open from this side. Is broken. Here is the new display. So first I will put and check this working perfectly. Everything not working. Before you put the glue, always you have to check the display. Power on, connect the battery, and here is display is working. First I have to check all this option, touch everything working good, then I will put the final. So guys, display working. Now I check, you can see everything working very good, touch is perfect. So now I will put the glue and return back finally the display. So first of all I have to power off the phone and remove the battery, then remove the display, and then I put glue again. So guys, here is the glue B7000. This is the best glue, and now I will put the glue in the back side and the display, and here have sensor. Do not put front of the sensor glue, then have a problem. When you call someone, display light will be gone. So now almost done. Have to put glue. So now I'll return back display. So here, so now I return back the display. Easily, don't press, and connect the display. So I return back this battery plastic, return back the battery, return back this battery connection. Now I return back this body part. Okay, and now I return back the fingerprint connection and return back the body. So now I return back all the screw in back side. Small screw in the front beside the camera, and have here one steel. Return back the steel. There have one silver color screw, and other all the screw put full of body, and this screw for here for warranty. And now return back all the screw. Finally done all the screw. Now I will put the glue here and put it in the back side, and then I will close. Okay, now I return back the display part, back side, and almost done. You need a elastic like this, and our display change done. You can fix it at your home. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification.